Mar leba osingo rio chenro mar chudo ma ichwalo ne jodongo gi ji mamoko mang'aw mondo mi kik obed kod deko kata lew.
Lalruok ma okelo kanyakla jokanyo e sectors buora. Jatend migawo no Florence Bore okoni chenro mag chudo ma ichwalo ne joma ng'aw nyaka bi tim e yo ma onge kod ng'ikruok.
Migawo no bende omedo siro okang' ma sirkal oketo mar medo kwan ji mayudo chudo no kowuok e ji 1.2 nyaka ji 2.5.
Jatasi mar bengi mar Equity James Wangi kod jokanyo mamoko kwayo ni chuo gi yore ma biro miyo chudo go itimo e yo makare gi lony ma owinjore.
Of the revised social protection policy currently in the approval process, the government is committed to moving beyond cash transfers to an integrated social protection system based on inclusive life cycle approach to enhancing the well-being of the poor and the vulnerable in our society. I wish to call upon our distinguished partners present, from government development partners, private sector, social partners, and the civil society, to revisit our commitments.
I am happy to report that the first phase, targeting 500,000 new beneficiaries, will kick off on the 1st of September 2023. This will involve mass registration of all older persons 70 years and above.
We have learned a lot, and the critical thing that we have learned most is how to provide effective, cost-effective systems to the beneficiaries. And broadly what we have focused on is integrating the bank accounts that we credit with our agents, with the mobile infrastructure, such that the beneficiaries don't have to go to the branches. They can withdraw money from their phones. If their phones are integrated to the bank accounts, they can go to the nearest agents and they can interconnect their accounts with the other mobile wallets.